There is a secret clue on this chart right here that nobody wants to pay attention to, that everyone is overlooking, and that which could catch everyone off guard and wondering how did they absolutely miss this major, huge move. I don't want that to happen to you. In today's video, I'm going to drop that secret clue, and you're going to leave with facts and proof and something specific to look out for to catch that major move. So let's get into it. Pay attention. This is your last chance. The sale is about to end. Today is the last day. Do you wish you were making more money in crypto? Do you want to recover those bad losses? Don't you just wish that there was buy and sell alerts that could be sent to your phone?
I had major problems with my investments.
I was trading primarily with emotions.
I got stuck in trades because I didn't know what I was doing.
I was just investing my money and just throwing it into the abyss.
The key is right here in front of you. Get money-making buy and sell alerts directly to your phone.
And now with Steve's plan, I'm actually up 32,000.
I experienced my first big winning trades, over 100% gain.
So easy to understand. This was literally changing my life. It was changing my family's life.
This thing is a game changer. Your transformation happens today. By the way, here's the best part. If you sign up right now, you're going to unlock 1 year of Bitcoin and altcoin live trading sessions completely free.
Don't be scared. Take the leap. It is amazing. It'll change your life. It changed mine.
Here we are, Bitcoin US dollar index, and today we're on the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, we've got these cool boxes here that I absolutely love. It breaks every single run, every single bull run down into really color-coded, simple, clear explanations of what is happening right now. And what you can see is what is happening right now. And we're about to get to a very important test. The biggest test of Bitcoin's entire life is right now. If it passes this test, something huge could be about to happen. And once it fails this test, also something huge will happen directly after that. Everything will be riding on this one level in the chart right here. Hold that level and glory happens. Break that level and devastation, bloodbath ensues. Make no mistake, it's one level and one level only. So let's get into it. What you can see is that we've got the run of 2013 color coded with Fibonacci. Now, we went over here to our tab and we did Fibonacci retracement. Keep in mind, that's going from the prior all-time high to the swing low and having your settings be here. Now, one thing we added is this 1.414. For those of you that follow my videos, I'm going to show you this. Why? Because that's where the level of 126 to 127 is. So how important is the 1.414? What's the historical significance? Is it a hidden gem? Has it been incredibly accurate? Did it just predict the market cycle top? All of those questions and more coming up right when we get to this part of the chart. Now, 2013, 2017 was the same. We color coded all of the same levels. Each level represents support and resistance. And once we pass each level, we go to the next level before getting some resistance. Now, luckily for Bitcoin in 2013, we went all the way to the famous 2.36 Fibonacci level. Same in 2017. We were 2 for 2 going to the yellow or the 2.36. We failed to do that in 21. Instead of going there, we went one level down to the blue, the 1.618, the legendary 1.618. These are both historic Fibonacci levels, 2.36, 1.618. These are historic. But what is going on with this cycle? Because we haven't reached this yellow line and we haven't reached this blue line. And so far, we've done that in every single run so far. But this time was this 1.414, something that we passed last cycle, something that in 2017 we flew by. Once getting some resistance for a couple months and then finding support for a couple months, it took us to our all-time high. And in 2013, we held resistance for a couple months and then held support for a bunch of months, and that brought us to our new all-time high. In other words, we played with the 1.414 prior, and it always brought us to our new all-time high once holding support at said area. And what you can see in 2020 2025 is so far we have done everything the same. Each level, support and resistance. Each part of the bull run very specifically. We're always in the bottom below the 0.382, the famous 0.38. The bottom of the market always happens below the 0.38, and we're always having resistance at the 0.38 when we're at the bottom, because at the bottom there still could be a lot of volatility. We always bounce to the upside, and we always get resistance at the 0.38. Once we break that, we always hold support at the 0.38, and we move into the next phases of the bull, and then we go up and up and up and up, each level acting as stairs. From Mark, Steve's education made all the difference. We profited $50,000. From Dr. George, in just 1 week, I made $70,000 profit using Steve's indicators. Carl, I made 300% trade with his system. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Don't miss out. Clock is ticking. Now, what we did in this cycle was we held multiple months of resistance at the level 1. The level 1 is the prior all-time high. So in 2021, we were at that level. Back then, it was the famous 1.618. Now, we have that same level act as incredible resistance. In other words, all of 2021 was resistance at the same level that we held a whole bunch of months of resistance at. Then we finally broke it. What you'll see oftentimes is a move up from there in a quite bullish, momentous way, because we had spent so long as resistance at said level. Once you break out of that level, you typically have a nice run up, which brings us to where we're at right now. Bitcoin, make no mistake about it, is at its biggest test of its short life. Yes, Bitcoin is old. Bitcoin is like, I think 16 years old, maybe 17. It just turned 16 to 17, I think at the beginning of the year, something like January 4th, something like this. So it's old. But during this lifetime, right now, is the most important test, the most critical test that Bitcoin has faced. And one false move will send us spiraling down in multiple hundreds of days with bloodbath. And a protection of said area could spell absolute significance. Now, I want to address two things in the rest of this video. Both of them are monumentally important. Number one, what the hell is this 1.414? And did that just predict the market cycle top? Is it possible? Secondly, what's this level we talk about, and what could save the day? Tell me more about this level is probably your question. So let's get to those two. Let's start with the 1.414. Now, I want to stay with clarity. What we've got on our chart are some of the most important Fibonacci levels: the 0.38, the 0.78, the 1.618, the 2.36. All of those I just named are historic, highly important levels in the Fibonacci sequence. Super important. What was added by traders was the 1.414. It's not a textbook level of the Fibonacci. It's not a classic level of the Fibonacci. It is added by traders, and it has become pretty popular in crypto. Typically, what it means is it represents a bullish move with a failure between two critical levels. Like before it gets to the 1.618, typically you'll see some action at the 1.414. Case in point, look at any of the market cycles so far. When here in 2013, we got to the 1.414, we were immediately stopped out and then immediately held as support and then immediately pivoted from exactly this level to our new all-time high. It was all happening at that exact level. Case in point, 2017, we skyrocketed up to a new all-time high. Keep in mind, our previous all-time high of 2013 was like 1,200. As soon as we got above that, we skyrocketed exactly to the 1.414 put in by traders, and we held there for multiple months. And then we held support at exactly the 1.414, and it took us exactly to our new all-time high. Sound familiar? That's precisely what happened in 2013. It was the same formula. It was the same repeatable patterns. 2021 was no difference. As soon as we created a new all-time high, our previous all-time was here, 20K. As soon as we created a new all-time high, we went exactly to the 1.414. And then we stayed exactly at the 1.414 and went exactly to our new all-time high. It was exactly how it happened. Now, what happened this time is we actually went to a new all-time high, right? Our new back here, all-time high, about 70K. As soon as we went to a new all-time high, where did we go? We went to the 1.414. But this time, we didn't break through and hold it as support. Keep in mind, we had done that every other time in the market cycle. Now, there's one area that could save the day. Even though we didn't go to a new all-time high, this could be our red flag. We can absolutely use it as a red flag because, case in point, we simply have never reacted to the 1.414 the way that we're reacting right now. That's not my opinion. That's not something we just pull it out of thin air. That's bona fide facts based on this chart right here, and that's not up for debate. We've never gotten up to the 1.414 and then got rejected down to the prior all-time high. That's never happened. This is the first. So there's one thing and one thing only that could potentially save the day, and that's this level right here, this red level that represents the prior all-time high, that represents the months and months and months of resistance back in 2021 and the months and months and months of resistance back in 2024, and finally breaking it in early 25, only to get stopped out by the 1.414. But the thing saving the day and the make or break point for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's biggest test of its entire life, is this red level. If Bitcoin at this level of the prior all-time high, this is kind of 70-ish K, if Bitcoin is able to hold support at said 70K, we could definitely have a retest of this 414 and hopefully hold it as support. But any break of this level is further evidence that that's all she wrote and that we are entering a full-blown bear market. Keep in mind, everyone's going to be watching this level, including you. Stay tuned. We do not want to hold resistance at this red level. Pay attention. This is your last chance. The sale is about to end. Today is the last day.
I was trading primarily with emotions.
I got stuck in trades because I didn't know what I was doing.
Don't you just wish that there was buy and sell alerts that could be sent to your phone? The key is right here in front of you.
And now with Steve's plan, I'm actually up 32,000.
I experienced my first big winning trades over 100%.
This thing is a game changer. Your transformation happens today.
Don't be scared. Take the leap. It is amazing. It'll change your life. It changed mine.